When should you start investing for retirement? The question when should you start investing for retirement is one that often lingers in people's minds. The truth is simple, the best time to start is now. The earlier you begin, the more you can take advantage of compounding and build lasting financial security. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how to think about when should you start investing. 1. The power of starting early. Time is your biggest asset. A 25-year-old saving $200 a month can often end up with more than someone starting at 40 who saves $500 a month. The difference is compounding. Your money earns returns, and those returns earn even more over time. 2. Key investment vehicles. 401k, employer plans with potential matching contributions. IRAs, traditional or Roth, offer different tax benefits. Brokerage accounts, flexible but taxable. Gold IRAs, a hedge against inflation and a way to diversify your retirement savings. 3. Adjusting by life stage, 20s to 30s, focus on growth, equities, higher risk tolerance. 40s, balance growth with stability, increase contributions. 50s to 60s, shift toward preservation, income-generating assets, and inflation protection. 4. Don't ignore inflation. A dollar today won't buy the same tomorrow. Invest in assets like stocks, real estate, or gold that historically outpace inflation. 5. The role of gold IRAs. Gold has long been valued as protection during economic uncertainty. Adding a gold IRA can provide diversification, preserve purchasing power, and safeguard your retirement nest egg. So, when should you start investing for retirement? The answer is immediate. Waiting costs you years of compounding growth and financial freedom. Begin today, stay consistent, and let time work in your favor. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.